Here's a 10-year-old L24 Changchai diesel engine that was brought in for a repair. It is severely damaged. Look at the piston. As you can see, it has collided with the valve like this, leaving it bent. The piston is unusable. Here's a part of the valve guide that's broken. The longer part is still inside of the head. But luckily, we have all the necessary parts to repair it. So here's the new head, a new injector, a new cylinder liner, O-rings, bearings, piston rings, the piston pin, the connecting rod, and the piston itself. The first step will be to take out the piston and the cylinder liner. The first part of the con rod bearings out. Let's take out the piston. Here's the piston. Oh, a surprise. A broken piston ring. Well, I didn't expect this. The bearing is nice. It doesn't have a lot of wear. The shells look very good. Let's check out this one. This one experiences more wear, but it still looks good. It doesn't even need to be changed, to be honest. The liner is out and it's not that worn. It could have served for some more years if the damage didn't happen. Let's see the bearing. It's actually worn out. I'll show you in a minute. The wear isn't visible very much, but when I insert the pin inside, there's big clearance. For a short comparison, here's a new one. I'll just wipe it real quick from the dust. Almost zero clearance. And here's the first problem I just encountered. As you can see, the L model engines have this lubrication port. It's for the valve train, which the S models don't have. So now the only way I can repair this engine is to machine a new valve seat part plus the valve guide. Luckily, I have a valve. I have a brand new valve, so only these two parts need to be machined. In the meantime, I can still insert the cylinder liner inside of the block. Plus, I can install the piston rings. The head is ready too. Unfortunately, I didn't have a brand new head. Actually, I did, but it didn't fit. So this one has been repaired. It's been ground. Looks like brand new and has a pair of new valves. Here's the old valve and the second one. I always like to clean and lubricate parts. So now here's a brand new Conrod. Here's the old one. Due to the accident the engine had, I decided not to use it. It might be bent, although it doesn't look like bent, but it might be. I'm not gonna risk it, so I'll throw this and scrap.